channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the IPSY Glam Bag for October 2020. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you have not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. The IPSY Glam Bag is a monthly subscription where you receive a bag with a mixture of beauty products, makeup, hair care, skincare, nail products. There are 3 different options or levels that you can choose, and you can get any one of these or any combination of the 3. The lowest level is the Glam Bag, and that's $12 a month. You receive 5 deluxe size samples in a makeup bag. You have an option to customize one of those items, and you have a value of $50 or more. They do sometimes throw in full-size items there, but they only promise deluxe size samples. The middle level is the Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month. You receive 5 full-size items with a value of $120 or more. And then there's the big guy, the Glam Bag Ultimate. That's $50 a month. You receive 8 full-size items plus 4 deluxe samples with a value of $250. Today, we're unbagging the Glam Bag base level, $12 a month. So here is this month's bag. And I really like this one. On the back it says, "You're magic." The front it's the same design on here that was on the drawstring bag that you receive in the Plus box, but I like this one so much more. I usually like the drawstring bags, but I like this one so much more because I really thought that the fabric on the drawstring bag in the Plus just felt really cheap. Whereas, this one, even though, it's not like, it doesn't feel like it's leather or anything, it's imitation, but it just looks and feels better. And I really like the little moon and star charm. So let's open it up and take a look. The first thing we see is a card that gives us this month's theme, which is "Your Magic." And then inside, at this level, we have been getting the products that are inside along with the prices of the full size. Now, remember, this is the base level, which only is guaranteed deluxe size samples. So the prices that are in here are for the full size, so you kind of have to do the math. Don't worry, I've already done that for you. Okay, our first product is from Essence Cosmetics, and it is the Pure Nude Highlighter. They say, "We found it. The key to glowing well into fall. This pretty champagne highlighter will light up your best features so all eyes are on you. Easily blendable. Buildable formula will take you from subtly luminous to majorly radiant with just a few sweeps." Now, this is a deluxe sample. Actually says not for resale here on the front, if you can see that. It doesn't appear to be one of the shades that they actually sell as a single. It appears to be one of the shades that's in their highlighter, Pure Nude Highlighter palette. There are 4 shades in there. The total is 30 grams, which retails for $9.99. This deluxe sample is 3.3 grams, so it would have a value of about $1.10. Okay, our second item is from ILLUMINATI Cosmetics, and it is Quad Palette in the shade Enlightened. This is a palette with 4 coordinated eyeshadows and sparkling to matte finishes designed to create soft to bold, iconic eye looks. Each eye color quad is designed with 4 opulent complementary shades that achieve multiple looks, from a bold smoky eye to sexy slash of color and everything in between. So you can see, very pretty, very warm, and I tend not to wear too many warms. I feel like if I wore this shade on my eyes, I would just look like a pumpkin. So unfortunately, there was another option that probably would have been better for me. But it is very, very pretty. I just don't think it's one that I'm going to be able to wear. This is the full size. Like I said, I confirmed it with the brand. I actually emailed them to ask what a full size was, what the weight was of the full size. And this is the full size, which retails for $21. So even though we're only promised deluxe size samples, we did get the full size of this quad. Okay, our next product is from IT Cosmetics, and it is the Lash Blowout Mascara. This is the first ever mascara developed in partnership with Drybar. Brings the benefits of top hair salon blowout to your lashes. They say it gives your lashes insane curl and volume. Like the round brush stylists use on your hair, this unique wand gives lashes long-lasting lift, thickness, and definition for 19 times more volume. So this is a deluxe sample. A full size is 7 milliliters and retails for $25. And it actually has a really cool looking package, which unfortunately this sample doesn't have. Hopefully must have the same wand if they're calling it, if the big deal on this is the wand. This deluxe sample is 3 milliliters, so the value on this sample is $10.71. Okay, and next we have, I'm going to take a guess on how to pronounce this, from MALIN and GOETZ, Mojito Lip Balm. Apparently, this is the month of the lip balm. If anyone's watched any of my other videos, it seems to be lip balm month. This is a hydrating lip gel that helps replenish dry lips with a blend of fatty acids that offer a layer of nourishing protection from day to night, absorbs quickly and does not transfer or require constant reapplication, and it is infused with a Mojito scent. Now if it doesn't transfer, that's actually pretty good for wearing under a mask, because obviously that's a problem with a lot of lip products, is they're going to get inside your mask. So if this doesn't transfer, that's one good thing. This is a full size, which is 0.3 fluid ounces or 10 milliliters, and it retails for $14. Okay, and the last item in our bag, this is a choice item, and if you've been around for a while, you know me, I was going to choose the brush. So this is from SLMISSGLAM, and it is their P40 round blusher brush. And it's a blush brush with an emerald green sparkle handle, synthetic bristles. I did not find this one currently available on the SLMISSGLAM website, so I kind of had to take their word for it that the retail value on this is $18.50, but darn, that's pretty. I'm not touching it because I have promised that there would be brushes in future giveaways, so I don't know if I'm going to keep this one or if it's going to go in a giveaway. But isn't that gorgeous? Like, this would be wonderful around Christmas with the green, emerald green glitter. Gorgeous. So that's everything that came in the bag, not counting my add-ons. We'll get to that in a second. So there was the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter Deluxe Sample, the Illuminati Cosmetics Full-Size Quad Palette, the IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout Mascara Deluxe Sample, the full-size MALIN GOETZ Mojito Lip Balm, and the SLMISSGLAM P40 Blush Brush, also obviously a full size. So they promised 5 deluxe size samples with a value over $50. We get 3 full-size items in here, because obviously the tool is a full-size item. So we get 2 deluxe samples and 3 full-size items. Retail value of these in total, $65.31. They promised us over $50, and that does not count the value of the bag. So they certainly did what they promised this month. Some of these I'll keep, some of these will probably go into the giveaways. At least the eye palette, like I said, if I put these kind of coppery, orangey, peachy tones on my eyes, I mean, can't you just see it? I'm going to look like a pumpkin. So that one at the very least is going to get passed on. Possibly the highlighter as well, we'll see. I do have an awful lot. I've got a whole drawer full of highlighters because I like being a sparkly fairy princess. And this one is a little bit yellow. I don't know if it's coming across quite as yellow on screen as it is, but it is very gold. It's not, like, you know, to me champagnes tend to be a little more whitey, beigey gold. This is a yellowy gold, so I wouldn't consider this champagne. But it is what it is, and I'm not unhappy about it. Just not my shade, and those are the kind of things that happen in subscription boxes. Sometimes you get items that are really going to work for you. sometimes you get ones that you have to find a better home for. So, certainly not mad about it. My one add-on, yes, only one, this time was another brush. This is from Laura Makeup Lab. This is their Queen blending brush. And, I mean, just look at that. It's just gorgeous. It's just, the purple, I had to. I couldn't help it. Do I need it? I have a ton of brushes. I don't need brushes, but I couldn't leave it. It was retail value on it, $15. It was an add-ons for $3. I had to get it. Whether I keep it or it goes in a giveaway, I don't know, but it was really pretty and I like brushes. So, what do you think of my bag this month? I feel like I got a much better bag than I did last time in my Glam Bag, base bag. Still haven't decided whether I'm going to keep the base bag, or if I'm just going to get the Plus and or the Ultimate. I'm going to give it at least another month and then decide. But let me know what you think of the items that I got and what you got in yours. Leave any comments down in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't done it already. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.